I say chicharrone.
My dream.
That wasn't crunchy enough. Yeah, they're hot, right?
Huh? They're hot. You wanted something spicy, did you have it?
Yeah, too bad it has a lot of sodium in it. The spice pepper is good.
Yeah.
My tongue's like peeling off right now. One more. 'Cause these are salty as hell. I gotta be careful, my crown might fall off.
Oh my god.
Okay, one more. I'm starting to sweat.
No,
My nose is running. Maybe one more.
Nah. That kind, huh? You can let it go.
I like the hot.
Yeah. I touched my lip and it's still burning.
I mean, it's making my nose run. One more. Now let's look for a real chunky one. Oh, here we go.
We have to figure out why your legs are getting like that. Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, I saw you. Yeah. Why? And what can we do about it?
Go on strike. Ooh, I got a big one here.
You can have your talk.
How's that one?
Yeah.
Would you like chicharron?
No, no.
And le suena el coco.
Ooh, I'm sweaty. Yeah, I'm gonna bust off my caps. Sounds like I'm popping rocks in my mouth.
She cleaned up her whole apartment upstairs and let it go all over the place. I don't know how long it's gonna take that.